Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can buy Brawl Pass with Apple gift card. If you have an Apple gift card and you want to buy your Brawl Pass with your Apple gift card, then you can do it. So for that, just open your Brawl Store account. When you open this, at the left side, just click on Shop option. When you click on Shop, you can see so the first option is Brawl Pass. Just simply click on this Brawl Pass. When you click on this, you have two Brawl Pass. One is simple and one is advanced. So if you want to purchase anyone, just simply click on anyone. When you click on anyone, then the payment method will be pop up. So now just simply click on add credit or debit card. If you have an Apple gift card, then you must have your code and your Apple gift card number, or you can scan the code at the back of your Apple gift card, and in this way you can purchase your Brawl Pass with your Apple gift card. So this is a simple method how you can buy or purchase your Brawl Pass with your Apple gift card.